Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to filter and manage your subscribers inside Mailerlite Classic, the ultimate 2025 guide. Whether you're cleaning up your email list or creating super targeted campaigns, this quick walkthrough will help you save time and boost your email marketing results. So stay with me till the end to make sure you don't miss a single step. Access your subscriber data. First, log into your Mailerlite Classic dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a tab called Subscribers. Click it. This is your main hub where you can see every single person who has joined your list. Think of it as your control center for managing and organizing subscribers. Open the filter options. At the top of this page, look for Choose a Filter. This is the key feature that lets you narrow down your list. Filters can be based on subscription status, location, email activity, or even specific email address details. Filter by email criteria. Let's focus on a powerful example, filtering by email. From the filter dropdown, select Email. Next, you'll be asked to choose an operator. For this tutorial, we'll pick Does Not Contain. This means we're excluding any subscribers whose email addresses include a certain word or phrase. For instance, type the word highlight into the field. By doing this, you're telling Mailerlite to hide any subscriber whose email address contains the word highlight. Apply the filter now. Click Apply Filter. In seconds, Mailerlite will generate a clean, refined list of subscribers that match your exact criteria. You'll only see the people you want to target or manage. Why this matters: filtering isn't just about tidying up, it's about targeted marketing. A refined subscriber list means your emails land in front of the right audience. That improves engagement, reduces spam complaints, and keeps your email reputation strong. And that's it. Your complete 2025 guide to filtering and managing subscribers in Mailerlite Classic. With just a few clicks, you can keep your email list organized and laser-focused, helping you run smarter, more impactful campaigns. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.